Alright, so once again, I welcome you all to my world of maths and physics. In this video, I'm going to be solving this circle geometry question. All you need to do is just click the plus sign to follow, like this video, share this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're watching video on TikTok, the link is in my bio. If you're watching this video on Facebook, the very first comment under this post takes you straight to my YouTube channel. So now what are you waiting for? Let's dive into it. Of course, first of all, write solution. Write solution. So now, in circle geometry, one of the theorems said that one theorem in circle geometry is referred to as the center of circumference theorem. Center of circumference theorem. It states that the angle at the center is twice at which it subtends at any part of the circumference. Yes, you heard me right. That's to say that what is here is going to be equal to 2 times anything in the circumference of the circle. In this case, we have 20. So that's to say that O is equal to 2 times 20, which is equal to 40 degrees. Now, we're asked to calculate OQR. Yes, you can see it OQR. That's OQR. That's the center. Remember, we'll see this sign like this. It's referring to the angle at the letter at the center, which is this Q. And of course, we know if we look from here, we can see this is an isosceles triangle. And in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. These two angles are equal. So now, if we do that now, we are going to say that O plus Q plus Q is equal to sum of angles in a triangle 180 degrees. Yes, sum of angles in a triangle. So now, next step is, we know the value for this is 40. We add this 2 plus 2Q is equal to 180 degrees. Now we'll subtract, collect like terms. 2Q is going to be equal to 180 minus 40. 2Q is equal to 140, right? This we're looking for the value of Q. We are going to divide both sides by 2. So we are going to be left with 140 divided by 2, which is equal to 70 degrees. So therefore, angle OQR is equal to 70 degrees. Please don't forget to share this video and follow me for more. God bless you.